So you're a building company with a great product or service, and you're looking to sell more kitchens, bathrooms, or houses, increase sales, and grow your business. The first thing you do is hire a production company, make a great commercial, and put it on social media and your website. This is where the problem starts. Your new commercial gets almost no views, generates no traffic, and now you've lost money on this commercial, which failed to get you any new clients. This is where we come in. Through the use of commercial production and targeted digital advertising, we get your commercial in front of your preferred audience, getting them to take action and buy from you. We use targeted Google and Facebook advertising to harness the incredible power of video. The best part? Through landing pages, website funnels, and metrics, we track every aspect of the ad campaign, showing you just how much money you made. At Dekko Media, we don't sell videos and we don't sell advertising. We sell results in real, tangible growth. Book a discovery call today to see if our business can help yours.